Ekta Kasana, a student of EduRed Public Speaking Training Program. My role model as a public speaker is Caroline Myss. She is an American author and a public speaker in the fields of spirituality, human mind consciousness, and mysticism. The reason of being inspired by Caroline Myss is that she helped me to find the real me. Her lessons on choices are the perfect examples of transformation. Well, I must say, a fruitful transformation. The reason of joining this training program is that I believe in skill set and experience. And to this program, I'm going to give my 100%. And in turn, this program will give me experience and will help me to sharpen my teaching skills and speaking skills. In case if I get a chance to teach the students to being a tutor, I'll prove to be an exemplary public speaker. Thank you. Hello everyone. I am Ekta Kasana, student of EduRed Public Speaking Training Program, is here today in front of you to deal with the topic that is why selling is for everyone. So selling, what do you mean? What is the meaning of selling? Selling is just not limited to the talking to someone or a limited conversation. It's more than that. Selling includes the listening to. How much you are pretending that you are the good seller and you are the one who came in front of your customer in order to relieve his or her pain, his or her need, and all of that. So selling is just more than talking. It's more about listening. So there are 3 phases of selling which are the most important thing, and you have to keep it in your mind while selling anything. It's not just I'm talking about a single product, but it could be anything. So the first one is your attitude, second one is your product, and third one is your presentation. So first is your attitude. So your attitude includes the way you are presenting yourself, the way you are blending in with the person who is in front of you, and the way you are listening, you are grasping the things from your client or your customer. So that is all included in the attitude. The way you dress, the way you talk, your communication level, your blending in grade, and all that stuff. Second comes the product or anything which you have. For example, I have a lipstick here. So this is my product which I want to sell. So I'll give this product to the one who will be in need of this shade, that is the peach shade. So the one who is in need of this shade, I have to go to my prospect. First of all, I have to make the leads who are interested in this lip color. So I'll be able to gift this lip color to the one who is in need, because there will be more chances that the person is going to buy this product from me. So a good lead and a good prospect is the one who is in pain, that is who wants this, who is in need, and who have a goal that the customer needs this lip color and this lipstick. So I would give this lip color to the one and he surely will buy this. The third comes here is the presentation. How I present myself, how I am presenting my product. What is the unique thing in this one that will make you forced to keep all other colors, all other lip colors, or all other products aside. I have taken an example. You can take any product, whichever you want. So that is the 3 phases of the selling. That is I told you, first one is your attitude, second is your product, and third is your presentation, how you present yourself. Because the customer have to be much more frank with you and to blend in yourself, because blending and frank nature should always lead to the success. Because if your customer or the person who is in front of you is always ready to share everything, his personal needs and all those stuffs to you, then you can be the game changer. So selling is all about making your presentation, make good to present yourself in a better way so that you can have a good experience with your client. and don't even forget to follow up, because following up makes you the client think that, yeah, we are always concerned for them. So that's it. Thank you.